Madhuri Patil and today I will be teaching subject maths. So before we start with our today's topic, I'm going to take one warm-up activity. In that activity, I'm going to show you some number cards. Okay? And from that, you have to tell me which number is small and which number is big. Have you all understood the activity?
Yes.
See, teacher is going to show you two number cards. From that two number cards, you have to tell me which number is smaller and which number is bigger. Okay? I have two number cards. Now you tell me which number is smaller.
1. 6 big, 1 small.
Very good.
1 small.
Now tell me which number is small and which number is big.
2 small. 5 big, 2 small.
Very good. Now tell me which
7
number.
big, 4 small.
Very good. Very good. Now tell me which number is big and which number is
big, 8 big, 3 small. Small.
good. Very good. Excellent. 8 is big number and 3 is
small.
okay. So have you enjoyed the activity?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will say the numbers. But how? Like this. We'll make the building of numbers. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10. Okay, I have reached at top. Yes, 10 number is at top. Now we'll say the numbers in reverse. Like 10, 9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Again, I come down. Okay. When teacher started from 1 to 10, she is here. Okay. And when she started from 10 to 1, she comes down.
Here.
Okay. So this is called increasing order. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 10 means smaller to bigger. It is called increasing order. And 10, 9, 8, 7,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
means bigger to smaller is called decreasing order. So today we are going to learn increasing order and decreasing order. So the children, tell me in these steps, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. And which is the biggest number? 10.
10.
Okay. When Anna was climbing up, she started from the number 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9, 10. Okay.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. When she started from number 1, she was actually climbing up and she was ascending the steps. And this is called increasing order. This is called increasing order. Understood? In the increasing order, we start from the smaller number to the bigger number. Okay? Now she has finished her chocolate. Now she is coming down. See step number 10. 9, 8, 7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So have you observed one thing? When she starts from the bigger number, she was coming down to the smaller number. Direction like she was descending the steps. Yes. When she starts from the bigger number to smaller number, it is this order called decreasing order. This is called decreasing order. Understood? This is called decreasing order. From bigger number to smaller number is called decreasing order. And from smaller number to bigger number is called increasing order. Examples, you can see some cutouts of the fruits I have. Students, tell me which fruit is this?
Watermelon.
Very good. And which fruit is this?
Pineapple.
Very good. Which fruit is this?
Apple.
Very good.
Cherry.
Which fruit is this? Cherry. Very good. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to arrange them in increasing order according to their size. Okay. According to their size, we are going to arrange it in increasing order. So, in increasing order, which we started with bigger or smaller? We start with the smaller one.
Very small.
Okay. So, then
Apple.
very good. Then pineapple, and the bigger one is watermelon. Okay. So according to their size, we have arranged in increasing order. Okay. Now we will arrange them in decreasing order. For decreasing order, we start from bigger one. So which is the big fruit?
Watermelon.
Okay. So first we'll keep watermelon, then pineapple, then apple, and then cherry. And this is called decreasing order. Okay? Understood? Okay. We will see some more examples. Yes? Here I have some ice cream. Yes. See now, I'm arranging them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now you can see number 1 has 1 layer of cream. Number 2 is having 2 layers of cream. Number 3 is having 3 layers of cream. And number 4 is having 4 layers of cream. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 5 is having 5 layers of cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? See, this is called increasing order. When we start from the smaller number to bigger number, this is increasing order. Okay? But when we start from bigger number to smaller, see, bigger number first, then smaller, then
3,
smaller than 4,
2,
2,
1.
and 1. Now what you can see? Decreasing order. Yes, this is called decreasing order. When we start from bigger number to smaller number, this is called decreasing order. And when we start from smaller number to bigger number, that is called increasing order. Understood? Now we'll solve some number examples. Questions? What question is asked? Write in the increasing order. Here you have to write increasing order. 5. Number 1 is given, that is 5. Now next to 5, which number will come in increasing order?
6.
Very good. Then
5.
5, 6,
7.
7, 8,
8. 9.
9. This is called increasing order. Now tell me the increasing order from the number 3.
4.
Then
Okay.
5. Then
6.
very good.
7.
Very
7.
good. So what exactly we do in increasing order? We start from the smaller number to bigger number, that is increasing order. Smaller number to bigger number, that is increasing order. Understood?
Okay.
Now see, write in the decreasing order. In decreasing order, what we exactly do? We
9,
start from
8,
bigger
7, 6, 5.
Very good. Excellent, Shruti. In the decreasing order, we start from the bigger number to
9.
smaller number.
Smaller number.
9.
8.
Very good. 8.
7.
7.
6.
Very good.
5.
Very good. So, what exactly we do in decreasing order? We start from the bigger
9, 8,
number
7,
to
6, 5.
smaller number. We start from bigger number to smaller number in decreasing order. Now, which number is this?
7.
7. Okay. Now,
7, 6.
no. Bigger number to smaller number.
7, 8.
Which number is smaller than 7? 6. Then,
5.
very good.
5.
Then,
4.
very good.
3.
Very good. So, in the decreasing order, we start from the bigger to smaller number. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, again, see this example. Now, I have jumbled the numbers. Okay. They are not in line. Arrange them in a line. Which number will come? Arrange them in increasing order. Arrange this number in increasing order. Which number will come first?
1.
1. Very good. Then
2.
very good.
3.
Then
3.
very good.
4.
4
and 5.
5. Very good. Now again, I'm going to jumble it. Now arrange this number in decreasing order. Arrange this number in decreasing order. Which number will come first?
5.
Very good. Then
And 4.
very good.
3.
Excellent.
2 and 1.
Very
2
good.
and 1.
This is decreasing order. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, pause. Some more example. See, question is asked, write in increasing order. Okay, first question is write in increasing order. Okay, see, 3, 2, 5. come first in increasing order?
2, 3, 6, 3, 2, 5. 2.
Wait. One by one. First, Shruti, you tell me the answer. Which number will come first? 2. Very good. Then?
3.
Very good.
4.
Then?
5.
Then?
5.
5. Then?
6. 4. 6.
Very good. See, jumbled numbers are given. That's 6, 3, 2, 5. You have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. And in increasing order, we start from the number, smaller number. That is 2, 3, 5, 6. Now we'll see some more examples. Okay.
1.
Now, Naman, you have to answer.
1.
You have to answer for this.
9.
Will come first. 1.
4.
Very good.
7.
Very good.
9.
Excellent. This is called increasing order. Okay? Of decreasing order. Write in decreasing order.
बड़े से कम.
Very good. From bigger to smaller. Write in decreasing order. Okay.
4. 9.
6. Now what you have to do? You have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order.
9. 9.
Wait. In decreasing order, wait, students. Listen first. In decreasing order, we start from bigger number to smaller number. So, which is the bigger number here?
9.
Very good. And then?
6.
After 9?
6.
Very good. Then?
4.
Okay. Then?
2.
Excellent. So, in decreasing order, we start from the bigger number to smaller number. Understood? Now, we'll see second example. Okay. Now, here, 7, 1, 8. Okay.
8.
Which number will come first?
8.
8. Then?
7.
Very good. Then?
3.
1. Okay. Very good. Then?
1.
Very good. Then 1. Very good. Excellent. See, from bigger number to smaller number, that is decreasing order. And from smaller number to bigger number, that is increasing order. So, I hope you all have understood these things.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, children. So, today we have learned increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order means from smallest to biggest, and decreasing order means from biggest to smallest. See, here you can see slide. See, at the one side of the slide, we climbed up, and at the other side, we come down. So when we climbed up, that is increasing order, and when we come down, that is decreasing. In ascending order, that is increasing order, we start from smallest to biggest, means 1, 2, 3, 4. That this order called ascending, it also known increasing order. And in descending order, it means that in decreasing order, we start from bigger number to smaller number, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called descending order. It's also known decreasing order. Here, one example is done of ascending order, that is 3, 6, 8, 4. And these numbers are arranged in ascending order. First 3, then 4, 6, 8. Okay, that is ascending order from smaller to bigger. Now, this example you will have to solve. You have to arrange this number in descending order. Okay, and descending order, we start from bigger number. So, which is the bigger number over here? 8. 8 is the bigger number. Then, smaller than 8, 6. Then, smaller than 6, 4. Then, 3, 2. Okay, in descending order, we start from bigger number to smaller number. Thank you. Okay, children. So today we have learned increasing and decreasing order. I hope you all have understood. Okay, thank you. For more videos, subscribe our channel and share our videos. Thank you. Bye.